I think you look fucking bigger than me. Fuck, John, you're fucking big, man.
Heavy.
He's 6'4", supposedly.
Same height.
Same height?
Same height, a little lighter.
What about the reach?
I got longer arms.
What's your reach?
I'm 84, he's 81. Got a few inches on him.
You still got the longest wingspan, right? Reach.
Yeah, I think I was tied with Stefan Strupp for a while.
Dude, like
So
that.
he's like 7 feet, yeah. Wow. Big boy.
You're just bringing more fucking tools. Let him talk. You know what I'm saying? Like, he knows a fight's gonna happen. Let him send that tweet. You know what I mean? Like,
I didn't say shit to him.
But these motherfuckers respect the fuck out of you. And I want you to realize and recognize that.
That's real. Yeah, like, I'm past the point of talking shit. It's just like,